Hey there guys, welcome back to COPTALKS in another video. Today we're going to be unpacking another MRE from Alright Eeyore. So he sent me this in the mail because I haven't had a cold weather ration since probably about 2008. So what we have here is menu number 7, beef stew. Now this is a US government property MRE. This is a real legit MRE. And just checking it out from the exterior, the plastic compared to, or the plastic packaging I should say, compared to a standard MRE is a lot thicker. This is a pretty thick plastic that they got going on here. And it's a little bit lighter, but that's because the main entree is generally dehydrated for good long-term storage in below freezing conditions. So I'm really curious to see what we get in this. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get. Oh, and you can tell it's a government MRE because it doesn't open as easy. They're like, yeah, pull here. Okay. All right, here we go. Got it open. Let's see what item number 1 is. Toasted corn kernels. It's basically just corn nuts. 420 milligrams of sodium, 10 grams of fat. How many carbs? 43 grams of carbohydrates. In a 57 gram container. 270 calories. Okay. Classic MRE spoon. Can't ever go wrong. What is this? Oh, smoked almonds. Yes. Love it. I'll pull this down here real quick so we got some more room to lay everything out. Lemon poppy seed pound cake. Oh, I used to love this one in the military. Gosh, I haven't seen it in forever. I thought they'd get rid of it. Of course, accessory packet. Bill's Brew coffee. Oh, is that hot sauce in there? Hell yeah. I love the MRE hot sauce, man. And I'm not talking about the Tabasco. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love Tabasco as well. But that one, man, that one's good. Then there's your main entree right there. Yeah, this is just what I remember. Because whenever I had a cold weather ration back in 08, it was packaged just like this. It was freeze-dried, vacuum-packed beef stew. And this one is Mountain House. That's so cool. And then you got your lemon lime beverage powder. Very, very cool. Wow. So this is just so cool to me. Net weight is 4.94 ounces. I wonder how long this is. This is a 2018. I wonder how long this is supposed to last. I know that the MRE as a whole is generally only good for about, they say 3 years. You know, that's the inspection date on those. But I know the freeze-dried stuff lasts so much longer. And I'm real curious to see if they put a date on here or anything. But I'm not seeing anything, and I don't want to move it around too much so I don't accidentally break the seal or something. But I know this will last much longer than a standard MRE. Very, very cool. I think that's just such cool food technology, you know? Smoked almonds. Oh, you are going in my snack bag for sure. And then the lemon poppy seed pound cake. I actually might have this with some coffee later on. Very cool. Let's get into this accessory packet, shall we? Okay, we got your standard sugar. Your matches, which these look pretty good. They actually put quite a bit of striker material on there. I can always use more matches. Moist towelette. I bet you are. Of course, Lighthouse toilet paper, been around since the inception of the MRE. Worst toilet paper ever. And then the hot sauce. Ooh, yes. Oh, yeah. I might even put this in my survival kit because I honestly can't live without hot sauce. And then once again, we have the plastic non-dairy creamer. Yeah, plastic one. That's newer for sure. Cool. Then we got some Bill's Brew coffee. I've seen this a couple times. I still have not tried this one. Pure coffee. Made in the USA. Distributed by JZA LLC, Flower Mound, Texas. It's cool that it's a Texas company. I like that. And then, of course, some gum. Which I have a lot of this gum as well. Wow, really cool. I have not had one of these in quite some time, so that is really interesting to see what all they've put in there and what they've changed. Really cool. Anyway, guys, I really appreciate you joining me in today's video. If you liked the video, if you would, please leave a like and subscribe. That thumbs up really helps me out. Comment down below what your favorite MRE is. I'm trying to try a whole bunch of different ones, just kind of see which ones I like the most and which ones I like the least. So anyway, guys, hope you have a fantastic day. Hope you get a good lunch or a good dinner or breakfast, whatever time it is for you. I will catch you in the next one.